Apple Watch Ultra is an advanced wristwatch with features and upgrades that set it apart from its counterparts, making it suitable for travel, adventure, and endurance rigors. In fact, there is a bevy of hidden features that nobody talks about, but we will in today's video. Discover 5 hidden Apple Watch Ultra features you don't know about yet. At the September 2022 Apple event, along with Apple Watch Series 8, the Apple Watch Ultra was unveiled as a new level of wearable for explorers, divers, and extreme sports aficionados. There are quite a number of reasons to want the Apple Watch Ultra even if you don't need one, including these 5 less obvious features, starting our count from the top 5. 5. Emergency Siren, SOS. It's brilliant that the Watch Series 8 Ultra includes a loudspeaker that can reach over 86 decibels, making it suitable for use as an energy alert system. While many hikers carry whistles in case of an emergency, the Apple Watch Ultra eliminates the necessity for such a device. This siren could save your life if you are hurt while hiking, become lost, or find yourself in a sticky circumstance.
It's fantastic.
Simply by pressing and holding the Apple Watch Ultra's bright orange action button, you can sound the alarm. This is quite cool because it has potential applications in everyday life, such as preventing assaults or robberies. The brand new dual GPS is another function that can be used in an emergency. If you don't think it's important, just wait till you get lost on a mountain bike or an expedition. There's more, so stay tuned. 4. Compass Waypoints and Backtrack. The new and improved Compass app in Watch OS 6 is a must-have for any serious hikers or campers. You'll really enjoy using the Waypoints and Backtrack functions, even if they now provide more comprehensive information and views on a single screen. You may now easily mark your current location with a pin using the Compass Waypoint function. You can add additional to indicate progress, next location, and direction as you progress. A lost hiker may be located with the help of these coordinates provided to the authorities. Apple has truly done its best providing hikers with an alternative to finding their way home when they go missing, as Duke Ellington once mentioned. A problem is a chance for you to do your best. The Ultra's GPS data can also be used for a new Backtrack function. This generates a time-stamped route of all the locations you visit while adventuring off the grid. Likewise, this process occurs automatically in the background. This will provide you with detailed information on how to safely return to camp or civilization if you become lost or disoriented. 3. Dual GPS for improved location accuracy. There's no denying the significance of knowing where you are, but in a time of crisis, it becomes very essential. The Apple Watch Ultra's new dual GPS arrangement has you covered, whether you're using the aforementioned Backtrack function, trekking across a mountain crest, or just looking for more accurate position readings. Apple improved upon previous Apple Watch models by including dual-frequency GPS. It has the most precise GPS signal of any smartwatch available because it utilizes both L1 and L5 GPS frequencies and upgraded location algorithms. As you can guess, this is handy for many circumstances, from exciting new experiences to life or death scenarios. Plus, Apple's product lineup includes even more intriguing features. We're always working to bring you the latest and greatest in time-saving technologies. So subscribe to our channel with notifications on so you don't miss a single announcement. 2. Cellular Connectivity. The ordinary Apple Watch is available in 2 different variants, both of which feature Wi-Fi connectivity. With the cellular model, you can make and receive calls, send and receive text, and use Apple Maps, all from the convenience of your wrist. This functionality requires pairing with a mobile device, which is impossible if you simply have the Wi-Fi version. Since the Apple Watch Ultra has cellular connectivity built in, it can function independently of a phone. You may use your watch while out for a run, send and receive texts, look at maps while riding your bike, and do so much more. It's fascinating that the Ultra may be used at depths of up to 100 meters. With these sensors installed, you can find exactly how deep and hot the water is. Don't worry, all that and more will become clear in a moment. The Apple Watch Ultra could save your life if you're ever in a dangerous situation and can't get to your phone because you've either lost it or run out of juice. Even if you don't have access to your phone, you can use the Ultra to make emergency calls, send text to loved ones, check out your location using Backtrack mode, and navigate to safety. What's the worst part of an Apple addiction? You can't see a doctor about it. 1. Water depth and temperature sensors. In addition to being great for use in and out of the water, The new Apple Watch Ultra is submersible to 100 meters. The Ultra is resistant to extreme temperatures and depths, making it ideal for adventurers. Not only is it approved for use by recreational scuba divers, but it also has a rating of 100 meters under ISO standard 22810. A new depth app will launch when you enter the water, providing you with a wealth of information about your underwater surroundings, including the time, current depths, water temps, and more. The device functions similarly to a computer, but is submerged in water. This is more of a novelty feature, but there may be times when having this information displayed automatically rather than requiring the diver to travel to it manually is helpful. Apple states that the watch can work in temperatures between -4 degrees and +55 degrees Celsius or 31 degrees Fahrenheit. The Ultra is ready for anything, whether diving into freezing waters or hiking up a mountain in the middle of summer.
Wow, it's good.
A larger battery, a brighter screen, and dual-frequency GPS are all advantages that are likely to be appreciated by the majority of users of the Apple Watch Ultra. Apple has worked really hard on this most advanced and feature-packed Apple Watch. Coming with the most sophisticated features and updated processor, there's more to look out for, especially with watchOS 9. There's something you might be missing out on. Anyway, watch our video, Apple Watch OS 9. Everything about the big Apple Watch update to unearth what you might be missing out on. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.